Hi, this is Jamie here with GearBest. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing on this 6-port fast charger that Xiaomi released early 2018. Now let's take a look at what's inside the box and how this product works out. Open it up. We've got a power cable here. Let's take a look at it. The charger itself, and a user manual. Now let's feel the item first. It's about the size of my hand, very portable, it's very light. Touching it, it feels very smooth with the Mi logo here. Right at the top, signature Xiaomi product design, simple and elegant. Right below the logo, there's an LED light, which will be turned on when the charger is being plugged into the socket. So don't worry about that, there's nothing wrong when the light is on. It's just a design to remind you to don't forget to unplug it when you're gonna leave it unattended. At the bottom, not very noticeable, it's very hidden and little. It got 4 little supports here to prevent the charger from being scratched and overheat. Finally, to the most important part of this charger, the ports. Again, very thoughtful, as Xiaomi has always been. It got a dust-proofing sticker here, which I just removed, and you can see the ports here. It got 5 USB-A ports here. One of them is fast charging, which is the red orange-ish one here, and a USB Type-C ports here, looking like very sad and very singled out right here. And at the back here, a socket/plug for the power cable that I just mentioned earlier. So that'll be it for today's unboxing. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and a comment on it. Subscribe to our channel and I'll keep bringing you more. See you later.